Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing the Instagram active status not showing problem. So if you're active now, last seen or green dot is not appearing on your Instagram, we are going to walk you through the simple fixes to get it working again. So let's just jump right in. Open up the Instagram application for that. And once you open up your Instagram, you can look out for your profile in the bottom right corner and select it. And then access your profile right here. Once you access your profile, look out for the menu option in the top right and select it. And that should open up your settings and privacy. Within here, what you may do is scroll down to the messages and replying section. So you can just go over and find this section for messages and story replies and tap on it. After you tap on it, what you need to do is look out for the activity status section. So look out for this option called show activity status and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to turn on this option of showing activity status. So turn this option on, and what it will do is it will show you your activity status, including the other person's, and show when you are active together. If this option is turned off, you won't be able to see other people's activity either. So make sure this one is turned on. Apart from that, sometimes the feature disappears if your application is not updated to the latest version. So you can go to Play Store for that. And once you go to Play Store, you can search for Insta. So search for Insta here. And once you find Instagram, you can look out for the update if there is any kind of update available for the Instagram and tap on update. Also switch your internet connection, so you can just go over and look out for the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you connected and try switching between those. Or you can look out for the airplane mode and you can turn it on and turn it off once back again. If that does not work, you can clear the cache of your Instagram application. So hold the app and go to the info section at the top. And once you go to the info, scroll down and look out for the storage section and tap on it. After you tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear the cache. Do not worry, this will not delete your data, but if that does not work, tap on clear data and that will delete your data. You can re-log in into your Instagram once again once you do so. Apart from that, what you can do is you can reinstall the Instagram if nothing worked. So you can hold the Instagram application and look out for the uninstall option, and once you install your application, restart your phone and install the Instagram once again. And even try logging in from another phone or the web version and see if the activity status appears there. And that's it. That should fix the issue and will restore the activity status or active now feature on Instagram. So if yours still is not showing, you can just go over and comment below and we'll help you out. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be seeing you in the next video.